Hello, welcome to Yari Creations. In this video, we will see a beautiful tussar saree. So, a light peach with a dark peach color combination. So, full floral design all over the sarees. So, that's a temple border. Either side is a contrast border. Zari weaving stripes. Romba beautiful combination. So, a premium tussar saree. So, you will get a contrast pallu. So, the floral design. Stripes contrast end tassels you will get a beautiful contrast blouse piece. Next color beautiful light green or elachi green rendu side contrast border full away floral design. Seriously romba pretty color shades in the tassar la premium quality. So, contrast pallu, you will get a beautiful contrast blouse piece. Next color is beautiful grey color, full away body full away multicolor floral design elegant collection and contrast pallu. So you will get a contrast blouse piece. So a beautiful mustard color combination. This is super full away floral design. So contrast pallu, you will get a contrast blouse piece.